Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chengyak. Today I want to talk to you about two important figures in South Sudanese politics, Dr. Riek Machar and Taban Deng Gai. These are men who once stood side by side, but today they stand on opposite sides of a deep political divide. Let's take a moment to understand who they are, what happened between them, and why they became enemies. First, Dr. Riek Machar is a well-known South Sudanese politician, a freedom fighter and a PhD holder in engineering. He played a big role in both the liberation of South Sudan and later in its internal struggles. He believed in reform, in federalism, and in giving voice to the people, especially the marginalized. But Riek's political journey has been full of challenges, civil wars, peace agreement, and exile. Now, Taban Deng Gai, like Riek, is also Nuer. He was a powerful member of the SPLM-IO, even served as a governor of United States. Taban is more of a political strategist. He is known for being flexible and willing to work with whoever is in power, if he thinks it can bring peace and development. He was one of Riek's close ally during the early stage of the opposition movement. But what happened? Why did they become enemies? In 2016, things changed. After the peace agreement, Riek returned to Juba as first vice president, but just months later, heavy fighting broke out between his forces and those of President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Riek was forced to flee for his life. While he was gone, something unexpected happened. Taban Deng stepped up and took Riek's place as vice president without Riek's consent. He aligned himself with President Kiir and claimed he was doing it for the sake of peace. Riek Machar and his supporters, this was a betrayal. They saw it as a power grab, pure and simple. They believed Taban had abandoned the struggle, had turned his back on the cause, and had joined the very government they were fighting against. But Taban had a different view. He said, enough war. Let's work with the government. Let's build peace. He argued that Riek was too confrontational, too unwilling to compromise. And for the sake of stability, Taban believed he had to step in. That is how the split happened. From that point on, SPLM-IO was divided. One camp followed Riek, the other followed Taban. It weakened the opposition and made it harder to achieve peace. And it confused many people, especially the Nuer community, who watched their leader fight each other instead of fighting for them. In the years that followed, Riek returned again under new peace agreement, and today both men are still active in politics, but they never truly reconcile. Their rivalry is more than just politics. It is about trust, vision, and how to lead a country torn by war. So what is the lesson here? Even among friends, ambition and politics can divide. Even within the same tribe, people can choose different paths. Riek chose resistance and reform. Taban chose compromise and cooperation, and both believe they are doing what is best for South Sudan. The real question is, who is truly serving the people? The answer, my friend, will be written by history and by the people of South Sudan. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to support the channel.